got a 1996 Ranger. See if we can catch the noise real quick. Positive crankcase ventilation valve.
Yes.
And how much is the part?
$2.
It is $2 to fix that. So if you have a Ranger and it's doing that, sell us the Ranger because we'll fix it for $2.
Oh, high ass idle. I don't know if they can hear that. They've had an RPM
Oh, that's
gauge.
what Hippo was saying, right?
Yeah, Hippo was saying it was like, why is idle? So it's got a vacuum leak. That's why.
Where are your things at?
It doesn't have one.
All right.
It's too old school.
So,
Oh fuck. Yeah. Pop the hood. See what's good. Yeah, took it down a little bit. Yeah, I may have been in a wreck. Need to check. One call. That's all.
close off?
No, they're in a row. That's the way to go. Call 9771900. So it's underneath the intake, right there.
Move your keys.
You're a fucking key. There it is. Focus, you fuck. There's your PVC. It's got two hoses going up.
PVC or PCV?
PCV. My bad.
You used to say PVC pipe, huh?
Yeah, because that's what I'm used to saying. That's just in my blood. No, I'm just kidding. So there's a valve. My mom's calling me. As I was saying, is right there. And I almost had, oh, right there. You see, mine is broken.
Yeah.
The little top came off. And that's why my truck runs like shit. This is what it looks like. Mine broke from here up. So take that fucker out. Where's it at? Up there. Just gotta take them hoses off. Mine's only got one on there because I fucking broke it. Ow. Yeah, everything's fucking burning right now. It'd be better to do this.
When it's cooled down?
Yeah, but we're kind of in the middle of
We have no choice.
Yeah.
So this is an on-the-go fix. Very rare. It's very rare. It doesn't happen often. It's probably like a season.
Real rare repairs.
Real rare repairs. This is on the go. You know, usually your shit breaks down, you wait till the next day. Not today.
Whoa, this is double landed. Amazing. There's a big screwdriver to be flipped.
Wow, that's awesome.
I did not know that when I bought this.
That's another rare find.
You know?
Accidentally.
Yeah, no, just get under there.
So you
Pump
scrape
that
the oil off
garbage out.
and it goes in.
Yeah, fuck it. This engine's toast anyways. No, I'm just kidding. It's not toast, but
So close to toast.
I gotta figure out how to get this valve out real quick, or whatever's left of it. A little spinner Dewey. Fuck.
You don't want to do this, do you? You're like a.
You're not that guy.
You're not that guy, pal. You have like a rag to put the arm on.
I wish I had a rag to put my arm on, Jose.
Yeah, but I'm asking about me.
Ow.
I didn't say it's a rag for
Ow.
us.
Alright, there's the top half.
You see?
Check it out, boom. I had a nub right here because it had a vacuum leak.
Okay.
That's supposed to be going to some emissions thing though. I'm gonna try to find the correct hose. Alright, I'm back in there. As you can see, the hose is missing the thing now. My hands are black.
Ow. Ow.
Ow.
The metal piece hot?
Yeah, it's hot as fuck.
Are you replacing it?
Yeah, boom. See?
There's the old one?
That's what happened. As you can tell.
That's the old part?
Yo,
That's the new part.
break this little tab off.
How so?
We're gonna fucking just leave it on, I guess.
What's the point of it?
I don't know. So they know that you fucking already used the valve. We'll try
Okay.
returning that shit.
So are you putting the top half
Yup.
on or the
Yup.
whole first?
Check it out. You see this right here? Is gonna go where that hose. Right there, boom.
The bottom one.
If you could see it from over here, maybe. Come on the right side.
This side?
Over my right shoulder.
What I'm gonna learn today is how to hold the flashlight.
And get
Getting yelled at.
yelled at. I haven't even started yelling. I'm just kidding. Boom. Get that on like that. Swing it back over there. Go back to the front.
Will you say something without starting your mouth?
If I what? And then get in the hole. This is always the hardest part for me. Let's see. Ay, wait. Why is it so hot?
Probably 'cause I'm helping.
Ta-da! Alright, let's try to find
Push it down, no?
It's already down.
It's all the way?
Yeah.
Alright.
It's supposed to be some emissions hose coming from somewhere. What you got right here? Got that. Got that. Got the fucking.
Oh, they gotta speed through the parking lot.
That's not good. That's not good.
I know there was a Harbor Freight right here.
There's a Harbor Freight right here?
Yeah.
Swear. That's fucking wild.
There used to be a fucking. What's that one store? It was always in Phoenix.
No idea.
Damn, I forgot. It was like a knockoff Ross.
Oh.
It's like the shit that Ross wouldn't even buy.
Yeah.
Factory to you.
Factory to
Remember
me.
that shit?
Nope.
Exactly.
And
You know what Fallas Paredes is?
yeah.
Exactly like that, but a knockoff version.
Swear. Knockoff version of
Knockoff
Fallas and
of the knockoff.
Paredes. That's a real fucking knockoff. I don't know. I'll put that cap back on.
Alright. Why are you putting it back on?
Because it says there's supposed to be some emission hose going to it.
But you don't have it.
Yeah, I don't see shit.
So you're telling me that's always been off?
Yeah.
And you never.
I'm pretty sure that's why the dude sold it. It's because the shit was stumbling and it was just this cap
Where's your microphone on this thing? I don't want to be covering
on
it.
the bottom somewhere.
Wow.
Alright, shine back on there. I'll put this cap and put it over the top nub. I should have done this.
Before.
Yeah, ow, ow. Mama.
If you drop it.
Ah, ow,
A
ow,
little bit more, a little bit more.
ow. It burns and it's not good at all. Ow.
Burns good.
No, it's not good. Ah.
Alright, should be good, should be good.
Alright, we're good.
Alright.
I'll press it down one more time. Yup, in theory. If
Should
it
be
didn't,
good.
we're gonna delete this whole fucking video.
No. We'll just redo it. At least it shows someone how to replace it. Whatever that was. PCV.
PCB part number 1, 2, 3, 1. Data line.
Okay. Okay.
She better be purring like a
Let's hear it. Let's hear it. You leave your keys under there again? Don't leave your keys under the hood. good to me. Pizza Fish and Chips. Not a sponsor.